Green Man. His time again is here. He'll cushion a ferny pan for all he holds dear, and he'll beckon the sun's rays, caress the sleepy trees, and lavish buds with blossoms for busy honeybees. And he will help the butterflies choose the pretty wings they wear, and he'll watch them so proudly shimmer in the air. Cometh the Green Man, king of all he brings. He will wake up tired nature while Easter sings, and he'll dance with the March hares to a rainbow's end, and his palette of colors will unfold to paint the spring. He will cast his eye on the chilly frost and banish her away. He will play his flute so hauntingly, and dragonflies will sway. And when his work is over, he'll rest for some time. He will sit by the rowan tree and drink meadow wine, and the fairies shall carve their names into its bark, and dance around their magic ring, and celebrate till dark. Cometh the Green Man, king of all he brings. He will breathe on tired nature while Easter sings, and he'll dance with the March hares to a rainbow's end, and his palette of colors will unfold